All right, Tiffany, for this one, there's quite a few steps to it, so I'll try to be brief as we go through it. First is to identify the model which represents this situation. And for that, what we do is we read through the problem. So your school's talent show will feature 8 solo acts and 3 ensemble acts, and it will last 89 minutes. The second one, let's change color here, is 4 solos, performers. We judged, and they will repeat the performance in a 61-minute show. So 4 solos, judged, which will feature 3 ensembles. So I'm looking at 4 solos, 3 ensembles, 61 minutes for the second one. Each solo, so X stands for solos, the minutes a solo runs, and Y stands for the ensemble minutes. So each one stands for minutes. So what we do is we just create equations from these. So 8 solo acts plus 3 ensembles must equal 89 minutes. That's this first set in black here. And then the second one is 4 solos plus 3 repeat ensemble acts. It has to be 61. So we're going to choose the set up that follows that. X plus 3y, no. It looks to be this one here. Yeah, so we'll choose that, check our answer. There we go. We got the right one. Now what we do is we have to solve this. So this is a system of equations where you're going to notice that the number of y values are the same here. Okay, so we can subtract going down if we would like. We can subtract them from each other, and that's what I would recommend in this case, is just to subtract. Instead of adding them or multiplying by -1, we can just subtract them down. So 8x minus 4x is going to give me 4x. 3y minus 3y is going to give me 0. So you're going to put plus 0. Then 89 minus 61. Oh, I don't know. 28. 28 seems right. Okay, so we get 4x equals 28. Okay, divide. So if we have 4 times x equals 28, we have to divide this by 4, divide this by 4. Okay, we get x equals 28 divided by 4 is 7. So from there, you should plug this in. So plug that into one of these 2 equations here, either equation 1 or equation 2, to find y. So you're going to find y. All right, and then you're going to have some ordered pairs. So as you go through this, right, you're going to have x, oops, you're going to have 7 comma blank for your y value as your answer. I'm going to make you find your y, check your answers, then it's going to make you interpret it. So it's going to say, well, how many minutes is your solo act going to be? And since X stands for solo minutes, you're going to be like, oh, well, my solo acts are 7 minutes long. And then you find your y. The question after this one as an ordered pair is going to say, how long are your ensemble acts going to be? And whatever your y answer is going to be that many minutes. So you're interpreting. So part A is finding the equation, part B is solving for an answer, and part C is going to be interpreting it. So hopefully this gets you going. Try to find it. Ask me questions if you have it. Good luck.